Hi, I'm Chuck Lofton. The drive to work just fine. The drive home, a different story. Strong storms moving into the area with gusty winds, lightning, hail, and a slight risk of severe weather. In fact, look at these winds, 41 miles per hour, 43 miles per hour. That could be common later this afternoon for that drive home. We have a front that's moving in from the west, and the warm, moist air is surging ahead of it. So some of these rain amounts today could be hefty. We're talking a half an inch to potentially 2 inches of rain just this afternoon and then into the evening. Now here's how everything parlays out later today. This is 1 o'clock, scattered showers and thunderstorms. This will really increase during the day. And how about tonight? This is 7:30 when some of the heaviest rain could fall and some of the strongest storms. Damaging winds are possible, isolated tornadoes too with this slight risk of severe weather. I think it'll be out of here by about 1 in the morning. Later today 60, tonight down to 40 and only 34 by Thursday.